Imagine this. You're holding a position so simple, yet your muscles are on fire, trembling with effort. Without moving a single inch, you're building strength, burning calories, and transforming your body. Sounds unreal, right? But it's not only possible, it's science-backed and incredibly effective. Welcome to today's video where we dive into the power of isometric exercises, the ultimate game changer for strength, stability, and definition. These 8 exercises are designed to activate your muscles like never before, giving you results without the need for fancy equipment or endless hours at the gym. But here's the twist. Exercise number 5 will blow your mind. It's the most surprising move on the list, and chances are you've never heard of it. This one simple yet challenging exercise could be the breakthrough your fitness routine has been missing. And that's not all. Stick around until the end, where I'll walk you through a complete 15-minute isometric workout, perfect for jump-starting your transformation. Ready to challenge yourself and unlock your body's full potential? Let's get started. Number 1, tiptoe isometric. Hold the calves are often the most neglected muscle group in workouts, yet they're crucial for mobility, balance, and overall athletic performance. Strong calves not only enhance running, jumping, and everyday walking, but also help prevent injuries in the feet, ankles, and knees. This deceptively simple exercise is one of the most effective ways to strengthen and stabilize your calves, especially if you've experienced cramps or feel they lack endurance. How to perform the tiptoe isometric. Hold 1. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. 2. Lift your heels off the ground, balancing on the balls of your feet. 3rd, hold this position for 30 seconds or as long as you can while maintaining perfect form. Key tips. Avoid letting your ankles roll inward or outward. Focus on stability. Keep your core engaged and your posture upright. Maintain constant tension in your calves throughout the exercise. Progressions and variations. Single leg tiptoe. Hold, lift one foot off the ground, balancing on the other for an added challenge to stability and strength. Weighted tiptoe. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell to increase resistance and intensify muscle activation. Step variation. Perform the hold on an elevated step, allowing your heels to drop slightly below your toes before holding. This increases the range of motion and provides a deeper stretch and contraction. Number 2, isometric bridge. Don't underestimate the isometric bridge. While it may look simple, this exercise is a powerhouse for strengthening the glutes, core, and lower back. Beyond building strength, it's a game changer for improving posture, relieving back pain, and enhancing overall functional movement. Your glutes aren't just for aesthetics. They're among the most important muscle groups in your body. Weak glutes can lead to lower back pain, poor posture, and struggles with everyday activities like climbing stairs or lifting objects. Why? Because your glutes work in tandem with your core to stabilize the pelvis and spine. The isometric bridge targets this crucial connection. By holding this position, you activate the deep core muscles, improve pelvic stability, and support better postural alignment. It also strengthens the hamstrings and lower back, creating a strong foundation for more advanced exercises. How to perform the isometric bridge. 1. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. 2. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. 3. Lift your hips off the ground until your body forms a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. 4th, hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining proper form. Number 3, static bar hang. At first glance, the static bar hang might seem like a simple exercise. Just hang from a pull-up bar, right? But beneath its simplicity lies a powerhouse move that strengthens your entire upper body, improves posture, and even decompresses your spine. Why it's so effective? The static bar hang isn't just about grip strength, though that's a significant benefit. This exercise engages your forearms, hands, shoulders, lats, and core all at once. It improves grip strength, which is closely tied to better performance in other exercises, enhanced athletic ability, and even longer life expectancy. Studies suggest a strong grip correlates with reduced risks of heart disease and better overall neuromuscular health. Another key benefit? Hanging decompresses your spine naturally, relieving tension and promoting better posture. Many physical therapists recommend it for people with postural issues and back pain because it trains the body to stabilize effectively. How to perform? 1. Grab the bar with your hands shoulder width apart. 2. Engage your shoulders. Don't let your body sink or collapse. 3. Tighten your core to stabilize your body. 4th, hold for as long as possible, starting with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increasing over time. Number 4, Isometric Superman. Hold the Isometric Superman. Hold is an essential exercise for anyone looking to strengthen their posterior chain, improve posture, or alleviate back pain. This movement specifically targets the back muscles, lower back, and glutes, which are often weak in people who spend long hours sitting. Why you need this exercise? Weak lower back muscles are a leading cause of chronic back pain. Sitting for extended periods creates muscular imbalances, where the abs and hip flexors dominate while the back muscles weaken. This instability can lead to spinal issues, poor posture, and even injuries. The Superman hold counteracts these problems by strengthening the stabilizing muscles of the spine and pelvis. It also builds endurance, enabling better performance in activities like lifting, standing, and maintaining good posture throughout the day. How to perform? 1. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended forward and legs straight behind you. 2. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground while keeping your abdomen in contact with the floor. 3. Hold this position for at least 30 seconds. Key tips. Activate your glutes and retract your shoulder blades to engage the correct muscles. Keep your head in a neutral position. Avoid craning your neck upward. If holding for 30 seconds feels too challenging, start with 10 to 15 seconds and gradually increase. Variations for progression, so weighted Superman. Hold light dumbbells in your hands to increase resistance. Band-resisted Superman. Use resistance bands to challenge the posterior chain further. Perform 5 sets of 10-second holds, perfect for beginners building strength. The Superman hold isn't just about aesthetics. It's a functional exercise that strengthens your lower back, improves posture, and protects against injuries. Whether you're lifting weights, sitting at a desk, or chasing better posture, this exercise is a must-have in your workout routine. Number 5, 90-degree isometric push-up. Here it is, the ultimate standout on this list, and perhaps the most transformative exercise you'll ever try. While traditional push-ups are familiar to most, the 90-degree isometric push-up introduces an entirely new level of intensity and effectiveness by focusing on static strength. Instead of moving up and down, this variation asks you to pause at the hardest part of the push-up, when your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. This small adjustment shifts the focus to continuous tension, forcing your chest, shoulders, and triceps into peak activation. Why it's a game changer? This technique isn't just for gymnasts and elite athletes, although they love it too. Holding a static position keeps your muscles contracted without rest, which dramatically increases motor unit recruitment. This creates stronger muscle fibers, enhances endurance, and improves joint stability. The 90-degree isometric push-up also helps you break through fitness plateaus by targeting strength in the sticking point of many pushing movements, making it a valuable addition to your routine. How to perform it? 1. Start in a regular push-up position, ensuring your hands are directly under your shoulders and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. 2. Lower yourself until your elbows form a perfect 90-degree angle. 3rd, hold this position while engaging your core, glutes, and upper body muscles. Begin with a 10-second hold, then gradually increase to 30 seconds or more as you build strength. Tips for maximum effectiveness. Maintain alignment. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise. Your body should remain straight throughout. Engage your core. Tighten your abs to stabilize your torso. Focus on breathing. Keep a steady breathing pattern to maintain control and endurance. Variations for extra challenge. Single leg hold. Lift one leg off the ground to add an element of instability and engage your core further. Weighted vest. Increase resistance with added weight to push your muscles even harder. Lower descent. Hold. Stop just above the ground for maximum chest and tricep activation. Number 6. Side plank with hip lift. The side plank is already an effective exercise for strengthening the obliques, but when you add a hip lift, it becomes an even more powerful movement for building core strength and improving posture. This variation specifically targets the lateral abdominal muscles, lower back, and glutes, while also enhancing balance and stability. Why it works? The side plank with hip lift not only helps define your waistline, but also improves lower back endurance, alleviating pain and preventing injuries. By combining static strength with dynamic movement, this exercise engages your obliques to their full potential in a short amount of time. How to perform it? 1. Start in a side plank position, propped up on one forearm with your body straight from head to heels. 2. Lower your hips toward the floor, then lift them back up, keeping full control throughout the movement. 3. Repeat for 8 to 12 reps on each side or hold for time with intermittent lifts to increase the challenge. Number 7. Isometric lunge. The isometric lunge is a game changer for building leg strength, balance, and endurance. Unlike traditional lunges that involve dynamic movement, this variation challenges your muscles to maintain constant tension, engaging the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core like never before. Why it's effective? By holding the lunge at its lowest point, you force each muscle group to work independently. This not only helps to correct imbalances, but also significantly enhances stability. The isometric hold improves joint health and proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space, which reduces the risk of falls and injuries. How to perform it? 1. Step forward into a lunge position, lowering your back knee close to the ground without letting it touch the floor. 2. Ensure your front knee forms a 90-degree angle and remains aligned with your ankle. 3rd, hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. As you progress, gradually increase the time you hold the position. Number 8. Dynamic isometric plank. The traditional plank is already an exceptional core strengthening exercise, but the dynamic isometric plank pushes the challenge even further by adding instability. This variation doesn't just target your core, it also works to improve coordination, balance, and overall functional strength. Why it's unique? Dynamic movements during the plank force your stabilizing muscles to activate at a higher intensity, making your core, glutes, and shoulders work together. This not only boosts trunk stability and posture, but also helps prevent lower back strain by engaging all the muscles that support your spine. How to perform it? 1. Start in a standard plank position on your forearms, ensuring your body is straight from head to heels. 2. Add subtle movements such as lifting one leg, shifting your weight from side to side, or placing your feet on an unstable surface like a Swiss ball to challenge stability. 3. Keep your core engaged and your body aligned throughout the exercise, maintaining control over your movements. If you're looking to take your core stability and functional strength to the next level, this exercise is a must. It's particularly beneficial for those dealing with lower back discomfort or anyone who wants to enhance posture throughout the day.